Benefits reconciliation is the process of validating your Workday employee health deductions against carrier invoices to identify billing discrepancies. On the surface, that sounds simple. In practice, carrier bills arrive from external vendors, each in their own formats, timing, and billing logic. Because there's no native place within Workday, companies are forced to create this reconciliation themselves, often in complex spreadsheets. Over time, those spreadsheets become difficult to maintain, fragile, and hard to control as teams spend more time stitching more and more data together. This creates a financial audit risk as errors go unnoticed and issues and financial risks carry forward. As a Workday innovation partner, Tabulera simplifies the process by bringing enrollment, payroll, and carrier invoices into a single reconciliation tool. The workflow is easy to learn, and within one training session, clients are reporting up to a 75% reduction in their time to complete benefits reconciliation. Let's take a look. You start at the Sources menu by uploading your bills, then straight into reconciliation. At the top, selecting the month gives you an immediate snapshot of the progress for the period. Below that, uploaded invoices are listed so you can choose which ones to work on. Once selected, Tabulera shows all employees on the invoice with the relevant employee-level details. A status filter automatically removes employees without variances and categorizes the rest so you can focus immediately on resolving variances and not performing costly, time-consuming research. For a deeper review, an employee plan balance view shows every financial transaction tied to that employee, including deductions, employer contributions, premiums, COBRA-related amounts, along with paycheck data, plan details, and coverage information. This allows the team to explain variances directly in the system, add notes, track items in progress, and leave issues open when an adjustment is expected in the future month, without losing context over time. At that point, your work is done, and the reconciliation reports are ready to be shared with finance or leadership teams. For Workday customers, the integration is already pre-built and set up, and training only takes a few weeks, not months. To get started, fill out the form on our website, and our team will reach out and have a conversation with you to better understand your reconciliation needs and how Tabulera might help.